Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we'll cover how to request a baby bassinet at the airport in English. If you're traveling with a bassinet can make the flight much more comfortable for both you and your little one. Knowing how to ask for this service in English can help you secure a bassinet for your flight. Let's go through the essential phrases and questions you'll need to request a bassinet at the airport. When you first arrive at the check-in counter, start by letting the airline representative know you'd like to request a bassinet. Politely say, "Hello, I'm traveling with a baby. Could I request a bassinet for the flight?" Or, "Excuse me, is there a bassinet available for my baby on this flight?" These questions clearly express your need and allow the staff to check availability right away. Some airlines have specific requirements for bassinets, such as age or weight limits for the baby. To confirm, you could ask, "Are there any age or weight restrictions for the bassinet?" Or, "Could you tell me if there are any requirements for using a bassinet on this flight?" This helps you understand if your baby qualifies for a bassinet based on the airline's guidelines. Since bassinets are usually limited and offered on a first-come, first-served basis, you may want to confirm your chances of getting one. You could say, "How likely is it that a bassinet will be available for us?" Or, "Is there a way to reserve the bassinet to ensure we have one?" These questions help you gauge the likelihood of securing a bassinet or finding out if a reservation is possible. If the airline staff confirms that a bassinet is available, ask about the seating arrangements associated with the bassinet. Politely inquire, "Will we be seated in a specific row with the bassinet?" Or, "Could you tell me where the bassinet will be located on the plane?" This ensures that you'll be seated in the designated area for bassinets, typically in the bulkhead row where the bassinet can be securely attached. If the bassinet isn't available right away, you might be placed on a waiting list. To confirm, you can ask, "If a bassinet isn't available now, could we be added to a waiting list?" Or, "Would it be possible to request a bassinet again at the gate if one becomes available?" This shows that you're willing to check again later, which could improve your chances of securing one. Sometimes there may be an extra fee for certain amenities, so it's always good to clarify. Politely say, "Is there an additional cost for the bassinet service?" Or, "Could you let me know if there are any charges for using the bassinet?" This way, you'll be aware of any fees and can decide accordingly. Finally, after you've confirmed the bassinet details or arranged a check again at the gate, thank the staff for their help by saying, "Thank you very much for assisting us with the bassinet," or simply, "I appreciate your help in making our flight more comfortable." A polite thank you shows your gratitude for their assistance and keeps the interaction positive. Let's review these key phrases for requesting a baby bassinet at the airport. "Hello, I'm traveling with a baby. Could I request a bassinet for the flight?" "Are there any age or weight restrictions for the bassinet?" "How likely is it that a bassinet will be available for us?" "Will we be seated in a specific row with the bassinet?" "If a bassinet isn't available now, could we be added to a waiting list?" "Is there an additional cost for the bassinet service?" Thank you very much for assisting us with the bassinet. Using these phrases will help you secure a bassinet for your baby and make the flight more comfortable. Remember, asking politely and clearly will make it easier for the staff to help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more essential travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.